Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can turn off pet feature on Emo. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and simply open up your particular Emo app, and once you have opened it up, this is how the interface gonna look like. And then you will, at the bottom you can see the pet icon of yours. If you want to turn it off, you have to tap on this profile icon, will be given on top left corner. Once you've tapped on it, you will find this kind of interface. From over here, tap on this option of settings. From over here, simply scroll to the bottom and tap on this option of functions below notifications. Then you will find this kind of interface where you can see the highlighted part called Emo Pet, and you can see overall feature and chatless entrance pet floater in chats is turned on. If you want to simply turn it off, simply first of all tap on this overall feature, turn off the toggle. Once you turn off the overall feature, other option will turn off automatically as well, and that is basically it. And once you've done that, and when you go back, at the bottom you can see you do not have the pet feature anymore, pet icon anymore as well. That is it. That's how easy it is. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.